2, 1, go.
And the butts are off in autonomous. What you see is what they've been programmed to do. If they come off of the line, they get 3 points. If they can score coral, they get 3 points. If they can score coral, they get 7 if they can get it up there on that top branch. They can also get a ranking point for all 3 bots moving off of their starting position and scoring coral. Those ranking points are valuable. As we come out of autonomous, it's the Blue Alliance 16. All right, the human players have control for 2 minutes and 15 seconds of controlled chaos on the ocean floor as they search for coral, pick it up and place it on the reef to seed the reef. They also pull the algae, trying to process the algae. The algae are those round spherical objects that you see. They're kind of blue-green in color. They try to process that. If they can put it in a processor on the side of the field, they'll gain 6 points. Like we see the Blue Alliance do. If they can score on the top of the coral reef there, they'll gain 5 points right now for each piece of coral. The coral is those cylindrical looking objects that are white in color. They kind of look like PVC pipe. But that's actually coral, folks. And there goes the Blue Alliance bot. 69-19, scoring high. As Dalton Robotics also moves over to pick up a piece of coral and head towards the reef. They've got it in their possession, trying to score high. It drops off down into the ocean floor. All the blue bots moving around as Dalton Robotics has it in their possession. They're going up to the second level, third level there. That's worth 4 points for their alliance. It is now 66 for the Blue Alliance with 1 minute left to go. As the Red Alliance places their first piece of coral on top, 40-26. The Decatur Robotics team scores 5 points. It's 74-5 in favor of the Blue Alliance right now with 47 seconds left to go. 97-70, the Robo Knights. They're over there at the coral station collecting that coral from the human diver player on the side who's up on top of the barge, on top of the sea. Sending that down the chute to the robots so they can seed that reef. There goes 40-26, the Decatur Robotics team. They're placing that coral somewhere on the reef. They got 2 more points there as it's now 88-7 in favor of the Blue Alliance. We're down to 20 seconds. That's the end game, folks. That sound means that the bots can come in like 69-19 is doing right there. Pick themselves up off the bottom of the ocean floor. Using that deep chain that's anchored to the floor, they can pull themselves up off the floor. If they can stay there, that'll be worth 12 points. You see the currents rocking and rolling, and that bot could be touching the floor of the ocean. If the bot does touch the floor of the ocean, that will negate all of the 12 points. All right, that's the end of qualifying match number 14 as we await for the fish to swim on the reef. We could have a possible high score. We'll just wait and see. Just wait and see. And while we're waiting for the fish to be released onto the reef, don't forget to stop by the Shaw booth and Sponsors Row to check out the sponsors and all the information they have here. All right, here we go with the score. What color fish are going to be released? It looks like it is a blue fish being released onto the coral reef as we have a score of 123-19. The new high score for the event here in match number 14. And in this match, we had 3 ranking points for the victory. We have 1 ranking point for scoring more than 14 points on the barge, and they also, in autonomous, was able to gain their ranking point for all of their bots leaving the starting position and scoring at least 1 piece of coral on the reef. Match number 14 of what eventually will be 62 qualifying matches. Again, we are playing through match number 44 today before we break for the evening and have our ice cream social.